What's up guys, I'm Suman from Phonestein. Fortnite is one of the most played online multiplayer games currently, and it is available on multiple platforms like say of PS4, Xbox, PC, and even it is there for iOS, but it is not there on Android. And Android fanboys kept pestering Epic Games to make one, and we finally have Fortnite for Android. Now it is actually the real game that you play on PC but on a smaller screen, and I am really excited. And people can play this beta mode only if they have a certain kind of invitation, and I'll explain what are those. And in order to download this beta version of Fortnite, all you need to do is head over to Epic Games website. I'll leave the links to that in the description below, and there you need to sign up for an email invite. Now you'll get an email from Epic Games where you can download the installer. Yes, and after downloading the installer you can download the game, but you can't play the game. Since this is the first time on Android, they are like fine-tuning like what devices support this game very well, what hardware supports this very well. So they are trying their best to optimize this game as good as possible. Now if it was Apple controls the entire hardware and software, so it is somewhat easy for Epic Games to make, but Android is a huge vast community, so they are trying their best to optimize this game as good for everyone. So that is why we are having this invite. Just make sure you go sign up for this and you will be able to install the game. But remember one thing, as of now, like not everyone are going to get the emails immediately. Just make sure you keep on checking your mails again and again. Now there is a list of Android mobiles that will be able to play this Android beta of Fortnite, and make sure you check if your device is a compatible one. But Epic Games have made sure that they will be releasing this game so that everyone can play, but there is certain requirements like the smartphone should be somewhere released like after 2015 or 2016 with a really good processor, be it a Snapdragon 821 or Snapdragon 835, whatever it is, or even a Snapdragon 660, and it should have sufficient RAM, that is more than 3 GB, and sufficient storage. Now I've already installed the beta, but I'm not able to play because I still don't have the magical invite. Anyways, the links are in the description, make sure you check out, and I'll also leave an article so that you can sit and read at your own pleasure. So thanks for watching, and this is Suman signing off once again. Catch you later.